Not staying out too long, everyone. But this one here looks like forming a funnel cloud right there. It just got really windy and it just got really cold. That's not a wall cloud, it's something. And it's changing direction. Over here, I don't know if you can see or not. Something just bit me, sorry. See, the clouds are going in two different directions, but there's no rotation. But this thing here is forming right above me, and there's basically nowhere to hide. Look up here. This came from Rochester across the lake in Kingston. See, there is rotation. It is rotating. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it is rotating and moving to the south. Now I almost got hit by a bus. See, there's another one right here. But this sucker here is rotating. It looks like 3 or 4 of them. But now, and it's moving now east. But it looks. See over here. There's a few of them going on at the same time right now. But that one's no longer rotating, it's just moving east, northeast. And I'm in Kingston, Ontario, Canada. Now look at this sucker here form. It's just right over my house. It's not windy anymore. Now look at this little guy coming really fast. See, there's another one forming right there, and I'm keeping my eye on the other one. I'm actually keeping my eye on 3. There's one right above me, right there. There's one right down there at the end of the street. Funnel cloud. So that's 4 funnel clouds I've counted so far, and one fast moving one right above me. But there's no rotation, it's just straight. but it seems like there's like 5 different layer clouds. I think there's 2 of them right there, and they're pretty low. There's 2 coming in 2 different directions, but there's still, once again, no rotation. Yes, there is rotation. Now it's at 4 different heights. Here comes the pouring rain. And I'm going in. That's not me shaking, that's the wind.